Hey everybody, it's Andrew from HoneyCart, and in this video, I'll show you a new feature that lets you preview your lead time policies for your order types. So, real quick overview of what an order type is. It's the main thing that drives all of the catering policy rules and the menus and the event times for like your delivery versus your pickup or your individual holidays or whatever, right? And the lead time is what prevents somebody from making a last minute order. It makes sure that you have, whether you prefer 24-hour notice, 48-hour notice, 2 business days, cutoff time of 5 p.m., stuff like that, or the Sunday. If you're doing weekly meals, you can set like a Sunday night deadline for the upcoming week for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Or like I'm going to show you how you can do this for your Thanksgiving orders so that everybody has to have their orders in by like the Thursday before Thanksgiving if they want to do Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday Thanksgiving meals. So I'll show you a basic example first with the corporate drop-off. Um, you'll see, sorry, go to ordering policies and go to create order policy, which is basically the lead time that someone needs to place an order. And so before, you used to kind of just set the stuff, save it, and then go back to the storefront and have to see, did it save correctly the way I wanted it to be. But now we let you just preview it. So, for example, right here, I need at least 1 business day advance notice, and I need to know by 5 p.m. or else the system will prevent the order from being placed. So now you see this new section called Test Your Policy Rules. It's basically like a preview. Um, so there's two modes. I can either test what it would be like now, or I can see what it would be like hypothetically some date in the future. So for example, right now, if someone came to the site with this policy, right, I don't even have to save it to see it yet. But you can see here that I can't order for anything for the same day, and but I can do it for the next day, right? And if I wanted to change that, and click preview again, you can see that now the soonest I can choose is 2 business days from now, which is Thursday. Since it's not 5 p.m. yet, I can still order for Thursday. Now, if I were to change this to 11 a.m. cutoff time, you see I'm already an hour late. So now the soonest I can pick is Friday. So so that basically lets you make sure you get this thing just the way you want it before you save changes and have it affect like your live ordering website. So if I click save, now I'll show you what it looks like for Thanksgiving. For example, I'm going to change this to be Thanksgiving. Just renamed it. You see here that my whole schedule is closed off except for the Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thanksgiving day that week. So if I go to my ordering policies, let's say I want it to be the Thursday before Thanksgiving. So that would have been whatever that is, the 20 something, the 20th or the 21st. So let's say it has to be, the orders have to be in by 5 p.m. Now, if I were to do it now, this like 2 months in advance, I can obviously pick any of these days. But let's say I want to go to this day. If I were to come in on the day after, so I set it to be the Thursday before Thanksgiving. So if I did it now, and if I said I came in here at 9 p.m., the cutoff is at 5. Now you can see that it's not actually working. So I will adjust this to be one Thursday, and now you see that's the right setting that I need to be using. So um, now if it was like at 4 p.m., now it would let me choose it. If it was the Saturday, somebody tries to come in at the last minute, it won't let me. Same thing if it was like the day before, Monday, it won't let me. And I just click that and I can be confident that, even if I'm taking pre-sales right now in September, by the time the week before Thanksgiving rolls along, I know that I'm going to be fine from someone placing a last minute order that I don't want to take. And so the other scenario is like for weekly meals, if you do that, that's part of your business. You can, the same thing where we have a customer that does weekly meals, but they may want to know, they want to have a Sunday evening cutoff time. So I can say, let's say 0 Sundays by 8 p.m. If I were to see available ones now, you can see that today is the 23rd. I've already missed the cutoff time. Like they only do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays. So you can see here, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is open from now. But let's say I fast forward to this Sunday night. It was this Sunday night at 7:59 p.m. Now I can pick it still, but let's say you miss it by 5 minutes. Now I can't pick it anymore. So that's about it. It's just a way to let you guys have some peace of mind to preview it before you actually save the changes so you can nail your lead time exactly the way you want it. Um, yeah. So if you have any questions, please let us know at support@gethoneycart.com. Thanks.